Welcome to Module 3. In Module 3, we're going to cover Chapter 7, 8, and 9. Chapter 7 is about small businesses and entrepreneurship. And this chapter will be interesting if you're thinking about owning your own business or you already own your own business. Chapter 8 is about accounting. Of course, this is my favorite chapter because my degrees are in accounting. Of course, Holmes offers Principles of Accounting 1 and 2. So this chapter will just barely touch on the topic of accounting. And then Chapter 9 will focus on finance. In order to complete this module, you will want to complete assignment 5, Famous Entrepreneurs, complete Ethical Decision Making video, read chapters 7 through 9 in the text, review your notes for those chapters, complete chapters 7 through 9 quizzes, and then make sure you make an appointment for your proctored exam. You can find the testing dates on your course calendar. Let me know if you have any questions.